Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy, this is a big box. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. No. I had to send this back to myself, family. You see these? 2 big boxes and this one. I had to send all this stuff back to myself, family. Oh no. Oh no, family. I lost about $1,000. $1,000 right here. Look guys. You see those big boxes right there? And that one right there and there? Yep. I lost about $1,000. 1,000. Oh, it's the name of the game. No, it happens. It happens. Oh, but it sucks when it happens. Oh, and another thing, family, check this out. Okay, so everyone's been asking me about, and I mean, like, it's incredible because it's kind of cool because I created it. Everybody's been asking me about, what is the intro song, Lavar? What is that song on your YouTube channel? What is this song I keep hearing playing on all of your videos before you start the video, like the intro, my intro song, right? Well, it's actually my song, written and wrote by me. I created, I recorded in the studio. Music is my first passion, my first love. I never really brought it to you guys because I didn't want, you know, it wasn't about that, you know, like that's just like my personal, like, honestly, a lot of people that know me tell me I need to run with music, but I'm like, man, you know, I just make it because I like to make it. I like to express my mind. I like to, like, be creative. I'm a creative person. So, but anyways, a lot of you guys been asking me, where can you get the song, or how can you listen to the whole song? Well, check this out, guys. I've never, ever, really, technically never asked you guys to help me out with anything. But for this one, if you guys want to help me out, what I did was, it's streaming. It's streaming on iTunes Music. It's on Amazon Music. It's on almost every platform. I'm gonna leave the links down in the description, guys, on all the platforms. So whatever one is best for you, if you guys want to go get it, please support me. That would be amazing, guys. I posted it for the least amount of money possible, 99 cents. So I mean, it's $1, guys. If you guys want to help me out, go ahead, guys. There it is. It's the intro song. If you guys want that song, it's pretty cool. So yeah, like I'm like literally, like if I was white, I'll be blushing right now, man. Like I might be turning purple a little bit. But guys, like, so yeah, so I've never really officially asked you guys to purchase anything, because like when I was at the website, I really gave it for free. And the course, you don't have to buy that. That was just people that wanted to know a good course. But this, I am actually asking you guys, if you want to support me, that'll be amazing. So it's 99 cents. I'll leave all the links in the description, and it's this song right here. Peace and love, guys.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side, we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks. No breaks.
But no, all jokes aside, guys. All jokes aside, I did lose around $1,000 in this shipment right here. What happened was, so I sent in, I got this haul, I sent it in, right? And what happened was, oh, before I lost $1,000 though, here's the thing, I made way more money than I lost. So yeah, I lost a potential $1,000. I lost $1,000 that could have been profit, put it that way, alright guys? So it's not really a big deal, but I wish I would have made that. That's an extra $1,000, right? I made $2 grand, and I was supposed to make $3 grand, and I only made $2, and I lost $1,000, right? So it was $2,000 I made in profit, and $1,000 that I didn't make. It's around $1,000 right here. I didn't take it all out to exactly count it, but you can see it's from Amazon. These little Amazon's little sticky things. All this, you see the little check symbol up here. This is all this stuff is from Amazon. Had to mail it back to myself because this is what happened, family. I'm gonna explain to you what happened. I found some stuff, right? I found some stuff in a thrift shop. I found a lot of stuff, right? And then I sent in some stuff, and I knew it was fishy when I sent it in because it was just too good to be true. One of those too good to be true moments where everything was new. It wasn't that it was used or anything like that. Everything was new. It was just that it was a private labels seller's donation, like a really established private label seller, right? They donated like tons of units, you know, over the holidays to like certain stores, and they just got in or whatnot. Not just got in, I got this a little while ago, but they donated a lot of stuff to these stores, and I pretty much circled the stores and I bought them all, and I sent them in. Some of them I actually ordered because you can order from, yeah, so I sent them all in, right? And I knew, I felt it, but like I told you guys, I'm a risk taker, right? So, and my mindset, just to be honest with my family, my mindset was, if it is like a private label, if this is a private label seller, then maybe I'll sell a few and then, you know, like back out of it if he, you know, if he complains. If they don't complain, then I'll just sell them all because they're new, nothing was wrong with them, everything was good to go. But yeah, I got something called a cease and desist letter, right? Well, before I got the cease and desist letter, they sent me a nice little letter, right? And I kind of went back and forth with them. And just to be honest with you guys, like, they sent me a letter like, hey, you can't sell, like, you know, you can't sell that. You're selling fake stuff, blah, 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 blah. They thought I was like a Chinese knockoff, pretty much, because a lot of the Chinese suppliers are getting hip to the Amazon thing. So they'll, like, make your products for you, and then they'll create their own and jump on your listing and make tons of money, you know, and sell it for lower because they, I mean, they're the creators of it. So he thought that's what I was because, you know, I had a lot of units. But I wasn't that. So he was like, you're creating, he said the letter was something like, you're creating fake merchandise of ours and selling counterfeits and, you know, all this stuff. So I basically was like, no, I'm not selling counterfeits by any means. So, and then I took a photo, sent it to him, said, this is actually your products, this is the real deal. And then he sent the letter, they sent the letter back saying, well, you don't have our authorization to sell, you didn't buy directly from us. And I was like, well, I bought it from, you know, a shop here, and, you know, I bought it from a couple of shops, so I bought it with my own money. And, you know, I'm gonna lose money if I take it down, and I'm not breaking any rules, you know, per se. But he was like, yeah, you are, because we're not authorizing you to sell our merchandise. You know, it was kind of like a little back and forth thing, and I was kind of being little, you know, I was, and honestly, that's not what you want to do. You want to, if you know you're in the wrong, just fix it. But I was kind of like, you know, I want to make my money, man. We're talking $3 grand, right? But it went back and forth for about 2 days, right? And because I was waiting on his response, he was waiting on mine. But I was responding. I wasn't being a jerk about it, right? I was just like trying to be like, come on, man, like I'm not creating your units. I'm just trying to make some money here, you know what I mean? It's not a big deal. I only have this many. You're gonna have them for a lifetime. I'm just gonna be on the listing for this month and that's it. Like, but they weren't having it. They're, you know, greed. People are just, you know, they want their money. So I mean, I can't blame him. That's his listing. I feel him. I feel what he's saying. So basically, after that, he sent me a cease and desist letter stating like, if you don't take it off, then I'm gonna report you to Amazon and tell them you're selling counterfeits, or tell them you're not authorized to sell, blah 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 blah. The list goes on, and I'm like, yo, dude, chill, man. Like, guys, chill. If it's that serious, look, I'll hit the cancel listing button if it's that serious. So that's what I did. I paused the listing, then I took a screenshot showing that I paused the listing, and I sent that to him saying, look, man, you know, my fault. I was just trying to make a little bit of money. I'm doing some retail arbitrage. You know what that is. And he was like, yeah, but we're not authorizing you to sell, you know, our donations. You know, I know what you're doing, and I'm not against what you're doing, but it's just we're not authorizing you to sell our donations back under our listing. You know, like, I'm taking money out their pocket, so you know what I mean. So, and so at the end of the day, I understand, right? So I said, yeah, I canceled the listing. I showed them the screenshot. They was like, okay, thank you. You know, blah blah blah. We was cool after that, and I deleted it. And after I deleted it, I had a bunch of inventory sitting in Amazon's warehouse that I just let sit there, that they was charging me for because it was a canceled listing, and it's just sitting there. And that's the worst thing you want to do. If you're not selling up items and you just leave them in Amazon's warehouse, you will get flagged for that. They don't like that. You're taking up space like that, and it's not getting sold. So what I had to do immediately, I was like, man, I actually got a notification from Amazon saying like I have inventory, just lots of inventory just sitting that I have canceled. It's okay if it's like active, but it was inactive listing and it was just sitting in their warehouse. So I was like, damn, yeah, I got a letter from Amazon saying like, you know, you have inactive items. What are you gonna do with this? You want us to dispose of it? You're gonna mail it back to yourself? But they've been inactive for a month. What are you gonna do? And I'm like, yeah, true that, Amazon, true that. So basically, I just sent it all back to myself, and here it is, brand new stuff right here in this boxes, right? It is they're actually baby pillows, right? I don't feel like cracking the box open, but they're baby pillows and stuff like that. So I'm gonna actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually sell them on eBay. Actually, I'm gonna list a few of them on eBay. I checked on eBay. There's a lot of sellers who sell these exact ones and other ones, you know, and they're totally fine with that. They just don't want us to jump on that Amazon listing. So yeah, probably gonna flip them on eBay or just give them away to friends and family, people that's having babies. So baby on, I might send you one. But yeah, guys, that's that. It's just around $1,000. Right, just around $1,000 I could have made, but I already made. Hey, check this out though. I sent way more than this, and I already made $2 grand. That back and forth little thing we was doing, I made $2 grand in the process. So I wasn't really, you know, I made $2 grand profit. I made my money back, and I made $2 grand profit. So this is just $1,000 of extra money that I could have had. So I wasn't really tripping off of it. Didn't really take an L. I actually still won. I won the war. I lost the battle, but I won the war. Alright, but yeah, family, so that's what that was. And hey guys, by the way, I want to just say thank you guys. I just want to say thank you guys because you guys are so awesome, man. You guys are supporting me. Like, you guys are like, man, keep your head up. Don't worry about the haters, and y'all are right. You know, I'm not worried about them, man. I've been MIA because my daughter's birthday. Look, we're making homemade piñatas. Whoa, I just dropped something. We're making homemade piñatas for my baby's birthday. You know, because my wife is so artsy. Everything else we're buying, but yeah, she want to do a little creative, you know, one of a kind. Look at that, check that out. It's gonna be a mermaid theme. But yeah, guys, yeah, my baby's birthday is in this month, the 18th. So I've been doing a lot of like family stuff with that, with like trying to get that together. And yeah, I haven't really been uploading. So this month may be a little bit of it. I don't know if I'm gonna upload every single day, but you know, I will be letting you guys know what's going on. Oh, and another thing, family, check this out. Okay, so alright, I'm gonna put this at the beginning of the video too. I'm gonna put it at the beginning of the video, and you're gonna see it twice because it's gonna be at the end right now. So if you've probably seen this part at the beginning at the video, I hope I just made sense. Alright guys, so basically everyone's been asking me about, and I mean like it's incredible because it's kind of cool because I created it. Everybody's been asking me about, what is the intro song, Lavar? What is that song on your YouTube channel? What is this song I keep hearing playing on all of your videos before you start the video, like the intro, my intro song, right? Well, it's actually my song, written and wrote by me. I recorded in the studio. Music is my first passion, my first love. I never really brought it to you guys because I didn't want, you know, it wasn't about that, you know, like that's just like my personal, like, honestly, a lot of people that know me tell me I need to run with music, but I'm like, man, you know, I just make it because I like to make it. I like to express my mind. I like to like be creative. I'm a creative person. So, but anyways, a lot of you guys been asking me, where can you get the song, or how can you listen to the whole song? Well, check this out, guys. I've never ever really technically never asked you guys to help me out with anything, but for this one, if you guys want to help me out, what I did was it's streaming on iTunes Music, it's on Amazon Music, it's on almost every platform. I'm gonna leave the links down in the description, guys, on all the platforms, so whatever one is best for you, if you guys want to go get it, please support me. That would be amazing, guys. I posted it for the least amount of money possible, 99 cents. So I mean, it's $1, guys. If you guys want to help me out, go ahead, guys. There it is. It's the intro song. If you guys want that song, it's pretty cool. So yeah, like I'm like literally, like if I was white, I'll be blushing right now, man. Like I might be turning purple a little bit. But guys, like, so yeah, so I've never really officially asked you guys to purchase anything, because like when I was at the website, I really gave it for free. And the course, you don't have to buy that. That was just people that wanted to know a good course. But this, I am actually asking you guys, if you want to support me, that would be amazing. So it's 99 cents. I'll leave all the links in the description, and it's this song right here. Peace and love, guys.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control.
If you're new to the family, you know what to do. Hit the bell, hit the notifications. Wait, that is the bell. Hit the subscribe, hit the notifications, and slap this video with a like. and be ready for the next ones, man. And if you guys want to know how to do retail arbitrage, then yeah, watch my other videos. Links in the description to a lot of videos that you're gonna need if you're just starting. And don't be scared of this right here, because this doesn't always happen. I knew what I was doing. I took a risk, and you know, I still won. I made $2 grand profit. You know, I missed out on 1,000 extra. So yeah, peace and love, family. I'll see you guys next time. Sorry it took me so long. I'm back on my grind. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.